All right, robot, this is the project of the day. We're going to replace this countertop. The two parts of this job, like any job, are the destruction and then the rebuilding. This thing here is in at least 3 pieces. There's one, and this is easy. I think it's already loose. This one, which has an electrical thing going to it, got to figure out a way to shut that off and relocate it, probably along that wall there. And this one, which is the main one here. I'm not completely sure how this thing is attached. I know that there are screws up here, and it's screwed in that way. But I think there's also some adhesive holding this thing on somehow. Anyway, we're on a journey of discovery, as we're so used to saying, and we're going to have to figure it out as we go. I think the methodology will be, I've got a piece of 2x4 and I've got a big hammer in there. And I'm going to use, once I get these screws out, I'm going to use beating in order to get it through. Well, part of the reason I think there's adhesive here is because I can't put this piece of paper all the way through in some of the places. It's going through in that place, and so this piece here will come off easy. Anyway, you see what I'm up against. We'll have at this and see what happens. Surprisingly easy. 3 beats. See what's in here? Here's where my electrical comes through the wall. I knew that was there. I can mount these plugs or something similar onto this wall right here, I think. And this thing here is screwed together. It tells me I should use my screwdriver and unscrew it before I get carried away. I wonder if this thing just sits on here. It might. Can't tell. Doesn't look like it's screwed down in any way. Alright. Let's see what it takes to undo this electrical thing here. Because I think I can get it up and out of the way before I do anything else. Happening. I got screws again. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. Here's our gadget. Wait a second. I have to undo these, which is a regular screwdriver, I would say. And then I'm in business. Well, that was easy. The whole thing was just sitting on there, not screwed in at all. No adhesive, no problem. Now all I have to do is pull the wiring through and I'm in business. part one finished. Countertop's gone, no damage. That thing is the way it is. I've hung it up there so it doesn't electrocute me when I turn the power back on. Got a sticky note here. Looks like some kid has drawn on it. This is the little bit of adhesive that was in here. That proved to be nothing. So it was nothing. All right, smell you later.